Hello, this is Autocad Quick and Easy, and in this video we're going to see the user interface. When you open Autocad, you see this start screen. In this screen you can do a couple of things. You can create a new document if you click in this big button, or you can open a recent document. For instance, if I click here, the file 3 will be opened. Okay, I have this file. If I click in start, I go back to this screen. I can always go back to this screen and, for instance, create a new drawing. You can have as many drawings as you need. If you want to create a new drawing, you can go back to start screen, or you just can click this plus symbol and a new drawing is created. And oh surprise, its name is drawing 3. Okay, and drawing 4, as many as you need. Okay, you can just close them clicking in this cross. Okay, let's take this file as base. Let's see what do you have in each part. Okay, so we'll start for the upper part of the screen and we'll go down until the bottom. Okay, seeing everything that you find here in the user interface. Okay, the first thing is this AutoCAD icon. If you click on it, a menu is deployed in which you have the standard option. So this is the standard menu that you can find in all the programs that you know, or almost all the programs. New, open, save, save fast. I don't have to explain this because you all know it. Okay. You also have standard menu shortcuts here, in which you have the same options than in this menu, but they are always visible. Okay, so you can save here or save as or open a new file, whatever. Okay, and you can even configure these shortcuts just clicking here, and you can add more options or you can quit some of them. Okay, then we have the title bar in which you see the AutoCAD version and the name of the file. And if we go more to the right, we see this part of the screen which is called the info center. This is kind of a social network that Autodesk has for its users, but we're not going to use it, so just ignore it. Then we have this really important part, which I call it the tools ribbon. Okay, where we have all the tools, and all these tools are divided into labels. We're going to look at this tools ribbon closer in another video. Then we have these tabs in which we can find all the drawings we have opened at the same time and the start screen. Okay, and then we have this really big space in the screen, which is the drawing area. Here it is where we draw, where we have the drawing. Okay, we work here. Then we have this little part which is the viewport control. We're not going to use it. It's useful mostly for 3D work, so we will talk about this in another video in the future. It happens the same with this kind of compass that we see here. It's called the view cube, and this is not used unless you're working in 3D. So we'll leave the explanation of this for a future video. Okay. And then we have the navigation bar here. We have tools here that helps us to move around the drawing. But I'll tell you easiest ways to do this. So my recommendation is that you just close this, and then we have this axis here, X and Y axis. We're not going to use it. 3D again, so ignore it. And now the command line. This is really important. This is the place where AutoCAD communicates with you. You can tell AutoCAD what you want to do here, and AutoCAD tells you what does he expects from you. Okay, so in this command line you see you can enter information and you can receive information. So the command line is really important. And going to the bottom part, we have these tabs here in which you can change between model and presentation, 1, 2, and you can do as many as you want. We're going to work always in the model tab, so don't change it, work in model. Okay, and last we have here the design assistance tools. Here we have these cute white and blue icons, and they do really useful things. Okay, so again in another video I'll explain you what are these options, what can you do in these design assistance tools, because they are very interesting. Okay, so that's all for now, and I see you in another video of AutoCAD Quick and Easy.